Manasvi. I am studying 5th class. My school name is Vidyajyoti English Medium School. My class teacher name is Jansi Rani ma'am. My father name is Shekhar. My mother name is Sandhya. I live in Almuru. My ambition is become a doctor. Today my project name